which is what I'm looking forward to the most. I love lavender. Lavender, everything lavender. Lotion, soaps, whatever it is. I love it. Today I'm just gonna do an unboxing video from the Fivesso or premium organic coffee skincare line that they sent me in the mail. So this is what the box looks like. So I don't really know if I pronounced it right, but I think it's Fivesso. Babe, how would you say this?
Read it.
Fivesso?
Okay, he said it the same way. If we're both wrong, whatever.
Well, it's Fivesso or Fivesso.
Oh, Fivesso. It could be Fivesso. But yeah, they are a new skincare organic clean brand. Everything they have is based from coffee. And they made like flavors out of it, like lavender, cinnamon. They gave me a card with a thank you in it. It says handmade with love. We hope you enjoy them. Be natural, feel natural, the Fivesso tea. That's sweet of them. This guy used to have very sensitive skin and had acne and all these problems, and his family would use the coffee skincare that they specifically made, had their own like family recipe, and it helped calm down his skin and heal it, and it didn't cause any irritation, and this was one of the only things they were able to work with, so they decided to share the skincare line. Okay, oh how cute. They gave me a little squeegee. What is this called? Babe, what do you call this? It doesn't make sense. Squeegee. I don't think. Loofah. So they gave this little loofah. I know with one of their package deals online right now, you can order a kit that comes with a scrub, a soap, and then a free loofah, and you get to choose whatever color. And they gave me purple, which I'm so glad because I like purple.
Very pretty. They put these little like crepe paper to protect it. Very nice. Oh, here's a card. It has more information. Let your skin breathe, it says, bye-bye harmful chemicals. So if you're someone who's really into organic, clean skincare that doesn't want to use any kind of chemicals, parabens, phthalates, all that kind of stuff, this is probably going to be amazing for you.
And here it talks about why Fivesso. I really wish I knew how to pronounce it. They're cruelty-free, no animals were harmed. They're made with certified organic ingredients. They nourish the skin with organic oils. No artificial fragrances. I know these products are probably going to smell amazing, but everything you're going to smell in there is completely natural from the ingredients that they've put in. And it's made with organic coffee grounds. Cool. And here you see the different kinds that I was talking about: the lavender, the peppermint, and the cinnamon. Okay. So in the benefits, they kind of went into a little bit more detail. It says it's organic certified. It's biodegradable. Cool. It says the soaps do not contain harsh chemicals that will damage the planet. So
Now let's see the actual package. So they sent me two little... I am seriously living for these containers. Wait, hold on. Let's remove all this blue paper. So one is the smaller size and one is the larger size, and it's a really nice bag. It's not like luxurious, which isn't what they're going for. They're going for the clean, natural vibe. So this little sack, I think is really perfect as far as packaging. Just really goes with their vision and with their story. It says,
be natural, feel natural. I think that's their motto.
so let's open the smaller one first. Ooh. Wow, it even comes with like a little wooden pen. How cute is this? So cute.
Love it. If you're hearing noises in the background, my husband's doing the dishes right now, so. And here is a sample so far of the peppermint. Let's open it and smell it. Oh my gosh, I haven't even like put it in and I can smell it already. It smells so good. It definitely smells like peppermint. It kind of reminds me of like mint chocolate chip ice cream, kind of. And this is what it looks like. This is just the sample size for me to try, so I'm sure if you order the full size, it's gonna be much bigger. And then this one's the cinnamon. I'm gonna build it up to my favorite because y'all know like lavender is my thing. Let's see. Oh wow, definitely cinnamon. You can smell that. Super strong. Just what I'm looking forward to the most. I love lavender. Lavender, everything lavender. Lotion, soaps, whatever it is. I love it. I can smell how calming it is already. I just like have really bad anxiety and I stress out like all the time. So I'm all about lavender. I find that it helps me go to sleep at night.
So that's the 3 different flavors. Here's a card, and it kind of, I'm sure you're gonna get this card too if you ever purchase from them, and it has like tips. Rinse your body with warm water. For best results, they recommend directly applying the coffee soap or the scrub to your body. Scrub up for 2 or 3 minutes and let the soap scrub sit on your skin. And then you rinse off the soap or scrub with water. They said cold water is preferred to help close and tighten pores, of course.
And here they have the premium coffee body scrub. And I keep saying flavor as if it's food, but it's really not. In the scent of mint coffee.
Ooh. Wow, it's like real
Coffee grounds. Oh my gosh. It's like legit coffee in here. I know I keep saying that, but I'm not used to seeing like this organic of a product. I don't know if you can see. One of it fell.
I guess I'll use that to show you guys. See? So nice. But of course, when you do this, your skin needs to be wet. My husband's gonna kill me for making a little coffee mess. What? Okay, so I had just rinsed off the coffee scrub that was in my hand, and immediately it already feels hydrated and soft compared to my other hand. And I can still smell coffee on it. It smells really good. So I can just imagine what it's gonna feel like when I do the scrub for like all over my body.
Let's finish unboxing. What else is in here? So this was the bigger bag, same thing, just a different size. And here, wow, they're so nice. They gave me the premium coffee soap. This is the full size and activated charcoal. You know that's gonna be amazing in drawing out impurities, kind of like blackheads, which is gonna be great for me because I have a lot of like blackheads in my back.
Let's see what it smells like. Oh, and it also has some organic olive oil and coconut oil to help nourish the skin. Oops. I am so bad at opening packages. I literally broke it, but whatever. So, oh, there's a really nice clean smell to it. So this is the activated charcoal bar soap.
And here they gave me the premium coffee body scrub in cinnamon.
I'm sure it's going to be the exact same thing as the small one, just in the full size.
I low-key wish I got lavender, but it's okay, you know, everything happens for a reason. Oh man, I can already smell it. Yeah, it smells pretty good. Oh, and it even tells you the expiration date on the box, which is great. You really want your skincare companies to be telling you when their products expire, so you're not going to be like using expired ingredients that's going to end up becoming harmful for your skin. That's about it for my unboxing. So far, I really like their packaging. It came really quick, and I am so blessed for them to have given me this opportunity to send me these products and to be able to try them. Even gave me like a loofah, so So let me know what you guys think, and if you would like a discount to try out some of their products, I will leave my discount code down below, and let me know which one you order and which one you like the most. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. Y'all, it came with this cute little wooden scooper. How cute is this? Oh my god. Okay, that's it.